Hi, my name is Bobina. I'm gonna show you how to buy Bobina token using nothing more than your Coinbase account. Browser or phone doesn't matter. Step 1. Go to bobina.mo/buy and you'll see that you can generate a wallet. It's important that you back up your seed phrase, because if you lose your seed phrase, you're shit out of luck. Anyways, you'll be prompted to save your seed phrase. Store it in 2 places: on a piece of paper, iCloud, Google Drive. Anywhere is better than nowhere. We can't get your money back if you lose it. So, step 2, you'll enter how much you want to buy. NFA. Buy $1 million. Step 3, you're done, because we swapped it for you. Shout out to the cheese community, by the way. All right, import your wallet into MetaMask from metamask.io or whatever wallet of choice you fancy. I trust MetaMask because it's basically my all reliable. Import your seed phrase. If you can't see your tokens, you didn't import them. No problem. Just go to our Bobinomics page here and copy either the Ethereum mainnet or the base mainnet contract address, depending on what network you bought our token on. You are now a Bobina Maxi, and I might just fall in love with you now. Welcome to the Bobina Council. Until next time.